Kamusta kayo guys? Ngayong araw meron tayong nakitang video. Na-curious ako dito guys, dito sa video ni Jerome Bardome. Ito yung pinamagatang Jerome Bardome Shocks the Britain's Got Talent. And galing to sa channel ni PaceX TV. And bago tayo magsimula guys, mag-subscribe muna kayo sa channel ni PaceX TV. Ayan, supportan nyo yung kanyang mga napakagagandang content about kay Jerome Bardome. Ayan, simulan natin to. Na-excite na ako.
What if one of the Philippines' most entertaining performers stepped onto one of the biggest stages in the world?
My name is Elvis Presley, I'm the king of rock and roll.
Lakas ng dating ni Jerome Bardome pagkasuot niya to, no? Yung costume ni Elvis.
My name is Elvis Presley, I'm the king of rock and roll. My name is Elvis Presley.
Ito ano na, AI na. Medyo malayo na dun sa itsura ni Jerome eh. Ito problema sa AI eh. Minsan talagang hindi rin nakukuha yung tamang itsura ng mga pictures.
Presley, I'm the king of rock and roll. Thank you very much.
Yung buhok kuha. Yung skin tone kuha rin. Pero itsura medyo malayo.
What if Jerome Everdome joined Britain's Got Talent? Would the British audience love him, or would they completely reject him? Today,
Magandang tanong yun ah.
we're going to imagine the impossible. A Filipino performer, a massive international stage, millions of viewers watching, and one question: can Jerome Everdome actually survive Britain's Got Talent? Because let's be honest, Britain's Got Talent is not easy.
Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Makakasurvive ba si Jerome Bardome pagka sumali siya dito sa contest na to? Yan, i-comment nyo lang inyong mga reaction sa ating comment section.
The judges are brutally honest. The audience can turn against you in seconds. And even talented performers sometimes fail under pressure.
Ang kulit. Ang kulit itong Elvis na to, no? Pumiyok pa. Yung patilya ko eh, tsaka yung damit eh.
Too much, baby.
What do I do now?
Nagtanong pa.
now, innit?
But Jerome is
Kulit.
different. He has charisma.
Tama si PaceX dun. Lalo dito, no, lakas ng karisma ni Jerome dito. Ibang klase talaga si Jerome pagka nagpe-perform siya. Lalo sa live. Talagang namamagnet niya yung mga audience.
He has confidence.
I just never took the time. You're always on my mind.
Maraming baon si Jerome na confidence. Sa tingin ko lang.
He has stage presence.
Knock and the door shall be open. Seek and you will find. I'll be waiting there.
Ito yata yung concert sa SM, no? Muntinlupa.
With my arms unfurled.
And most importantly, he knows how to entertain people.
Natutuwa ako dito kay PaceX TV. Yung maskara niya umiilaw-ilaw. Nakaiba, no? Pero yung boses niya parang ano yata to eh. AI yata yung gamit niyang boses.
And I guess I never told you. Thank you very much.
Dito sinabitan pa siya ng
I'm so happy that you're mine.
Tama ba? Garland ba tawag doon? Garland. Yung sinasabit sa kagaya ni Elvis. Yan, i-comment nyo nga guys. Correct nyo ako kung mali.
So today we're breaking down exactly what could happen if Jerome Everdome walks into the Britain's Got Talent auditions. Would he become viral worldwide? Would Simon Cowell love him? Or would this become one of the most shocking auditions ever? Let's find out. Face
Mahirap kasi please dito si Simon eh. Lalo pagka mga Pilipino, no?
XTV. This video is purely fictional and created for entertainment purposes only. The scenes, events, and outcomes shown in this video are imaginary scenarios based on the idea of what could happen if Jerome Everdome joined Britain's Got Talent. This is not official footage, not affiliated with Britain's Got Talent.
Magaling din gagawa ng content to eh, si PaceX TV.
And does not represent real events or real participation. All edits, visuals, and storytelling are fan-made and intended solely for creative entertainment. Face XTV. Imagine this. Jerome Everdome arrives in London. Nobody in Britain really knows who he is. To them, he's just another contestant. But for Filipino fans,
Ito AI na to eh. Yung picture halata.
because very few Filipino performers have ever made a major impact on Britain's Got Talent.
Ito yung huling Pinoy na nag-viral, no? Ano ang pangalan nito? I-comment nyo nga guys sa mga nakapanood. Alam ko nag-viral to eh. Talagang nagustuhan siya eh, nila Simon.
And Jerome entering that stage would immediately create curiosity. The moment he walks out, people would notice him. Why? Because Jerome has a unique aura. He doesn't look nervous. He looks confident. He looks ready. And confidence matters a lot on BGT.
Tama. Si Jerome pagka nasa stage, hindi mo maramdaman na kinakabahan siya. Para lang siyang naglalaro sa stage. Ini-enjoy niya bawat minuto.
The judges immediately start asking questions. Where are you from? What inspired you to join? What kind of act are you doing tonight? And Jerome answers proudly, I came from the Philippines, and I want to show the world Filipino talent. Boom.
Galing din gagawa ng senaryo ni PaceX, no? Talagang kunwari nagsasalita si Jerome Everdome.
Instant audience support. Because BGT audiences love underdog stories, especially international contestants chasing impossible dreams. Now here's where things get interesting. The crowd still doesn't know if Jerome is actually good, but they become emotionally invested. And emotionally invested audiences are powerful. Now let's talk about Jerome's biggest challenge. Not talent, not singing, not performance. The real challenge is this. British audiences are very hard to impress. And Simon
Yun lang. Ganun pala yung mga Breton. Mahirap sila i-impress.
Cowell, he has seen everything. Thousands of singers, thousands of
Gaya ni
entertainers,
Simon.
thousands of performers trying to go viral. So Jerome cannot just be good. He needs to be memorable. That's the difference. If Jerome performs like a normal contestant, he gets eliminated. Simple as that. But if he performs with personality,
Sa tingin ko naman paghahandaan to ni Jerome, pagka dumating tong araw na to na sumali siya sa ganyang kalaking contest, paghahandaan niya yan ng gusto, sa tingin ko lang. Talagang i-improve niya pa ng gusto kung ano man yung talent na meron siya.
now things change. Because Jerome's biggest weapon is not just vocals, it's charisma. People naturally look at him.
Tama.
That matters on television, especially in talent shows.
Sa tingin ko yun yung minahal sa kanya ng mga tao eh. Bukod dun sa talent niya, yung charisma niya iba talaga. Tsaka yung kung paano niya tinatrato yung mga fans niya, lalo yung mga senior citizen. Makikita nyo sa mga concerts niya eh talagang yinayapos niya pa. Nakakatuwa nga siya panoorin eh.
Now imagine Jerome choosing a legendary song, maybe something emotional, maybe something powerful, or maybe even an Elvis-inspired performance. And suddenly, the audience starts reacting, not because the performance
Ito yung mga unang sali niya sa ano, The Clones. Medyo payat pa si Jerome dito.
is perfect, but because it's entertaining. And entertainment is everything on Britain's Got Talent. Remember, the show is not called Britain's Best Singer, it's called Britain's Got Talent. That means uniqueness matters more than
Ito, ang goping niya dito. Bagay sa kanya yung ganitong buhok, no? Yung style ng buhok. Pati yung forma niya dito, yung damit niya dito, ang ganda.
perfection. And Jerome has uniqueness. Now let's discuss the moment everyone would wait for. Simon Cowell's reaction. Because Simon can destroy a performance with one sentence.
Tama. Nakakabayan eh si Simon pagka nagsalita na eh. Minsan kahit binibigay na nung contestant yung the best niya, kay Simon kulang pa rin eh.
If Simon looks bored, it's over. If Simon stops paying attention, it's over. But if Simon leans forward, that means
Yan yung reaction ni Simon pagka napamangha. Nalalaki mata.
something special is happening. And honestly, I think Jerome would surprise Simon. Not because Jerome is the greatest singer ever, but because Simon respects performers who know how to command a stage. Jerome has that natural confidence, and confidence is rare. Most contestants walk onto BGT terrified.
Ang alam ko nga, minanage din ni Simon yung boy band dati na Westlife. Kung di ako nagkakamali. Marami na yata siyang pinasikat na mga artists.
Jerome feels like someone who would enjoy the pressure.
Kiss me quick while we still have this feeling. Hold me close and never let me go.
Now imagine halfway through the performance, the
Si Simon ba'y naka-discover sa One Direction? Comment nyo nga guys, parang may naalala akong ganun eh. Na si Simon yung naka-discover. Parang sumali din yata sila sa hindi ko lang sure kung Britain's Got Talent ba yun o America's Got Talent.
audience starts clapping. The judges start smiling, and Simon suddenly gives that famous smirk. That would be a huge moment, because Simon loves contestants who are marketable, and Jerome has something important, star energy. You can't teach that.
Tama, napaka-importante kasi yung magmamarka ka sa audience di ba? May makikita nila yung unique na talent mo talaga.
Either you have it, or you don't. Would Simon call Jerome perfect? Probably not. Would Simon say he's interesting? Absolutely. And on a show like BGT, interesting contestants survive longer than technically perfect contestants.
His man say.
Ito yung unang pagkakataon na sumali si Jerome. Ilang ilang years na ba yung nakalipas? May 2 years na ba o 1 year, ganun. Yan, di ko kasi nasubaybayan tong umpisa ng The Clones I-comment nyo nga guys sa mga nakasubaybay.
Only fools run. Can't fly and leave just hurting. Kiss me quick because I love you so, love you so, love you so. Oh, let the band keep playing. All I dream of is your eyes. All I long for is your touch.
Ang dami nakasubaybay kay Jerome kahit sa studio. Talaga nandun yung mga Jeromantics. Nakasuporta palagi sa kanya.
Something tells me that's not.
Now imagine this audition gets uploaded online. Everything changes. Because once the internet gets involved, anything can happen. Filipino fans around the world would immediately support Jerome. The comment sections would explode.
Tama, iba talaga yung kapangyarihan ng social media. Pag doon ka nag-viral, talagang makikilala ka rin sa mainstream eh. Tatangkilikin ka rin ng mga tao.
People would say, "Finally, Filipino talent on the world stage." Others would compare his charisma to legendary entertainers.
Face X TV.
So, can Jerome Everdome survive Britain's Got Talent? My answer, yes. But not because it
Sangayon ba kayo guys kay PaceX TV? Ayan, i-comment nyo yung inyong mga reaction at sa loobin nyo dito guys, dito sa content ni PaceX TV.
would be easy. It would actually be extremely difficult. The judges are tough, the competition is brutal, and international audiences are unpredictable. But Jerome has something many contestants don't have: presence. The moment he
Tama.
walks on stage, people pay attention, and that alone gives him a chance. Would he win the entire competition?
Sa tingin ko gawin lang ni Jerome yung the best niya. Ipakita niya talaga kung sino siya, yung talent niya. Pakita niya kung paano niya kantahin yung mga kanta ni Elvis. Talagang papasok siya dito guys sa tingin ko lang. Kasi na kay Jerome naman yung mga sangkap ng isang napakahusay na mga awit.
That's hard to predict. But could he become viral worldwide? Absolutely. Could he shock the judges? Definitely. Could he make the Philippines proud? Without question.
Panigurado. Magiging proud talaga sa kanya buong Pilipinas. Pati buong mundo syempre.
Because whether people love him or criticize him, one thing is certain: people would remember Jerome Everdome. And sometimes, being unforgettable is more powerful than winning. But now I
Agree
want to
ako
hear
dun.
from you. Do you think Jerome Everdome could survive Britain's Got Talent? Would Simon Cowell support him? Or would the pressure be too much? Comment your thoughts below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more
Subscribe na kayo
Jerome
guys sa channel
Everdome
ni
content.
PaceX.
This is FaceX TV, and I'll see you in the next video.
Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Mag-survive kaya si Jerome Everdome pag sumali siya dito sa Britain's Got Talent? Hintayin ko yung mga sagot nyo guys sa ating comment section. Iisa-isahin ko yung babasahin guys. And paano, hanggang dito na muna tayo guys. Marami pa tayo i-content na video ni Jerome Everdome. Kita-kits ulit tayo sa mga susunod pang reaction video.